What's the first thing people think when they hear your name? If you don't know, you need to watch this. Your future depends on it. Think about Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Whether he's starring in a blockbuster, launching a tequila brand, or posting on Instagram, you know exactly what to expect. Motivation, charisma, and a larger-than-life personality. That's personal branding in action. In this video, I'll show you how you can build a personal brand that commands attention and gets results, whether you're famous or not. What is personal branding? So what exactly is personal branding? It's not just a trendy buzzword. It's how you present yourself to the world. Your skills, your values, your personality, all packaged in a way that makes you memorable and trustworthy. Take Elon Musk, for example. His personal brand screams innovation and bold thinking. He's not just selling cars or rockets. He's selling a vision of the future. People don't just buy Tesla, they buy into him. Why personal branding matters? Still not convinced? Let's talk about Oprah Winfrey. She built her personal brand on empathy, empowerment, and storytelling. It didn't just make her a talk show host, it turned her into a billionaire media mogul and a trusted global icon. And then there's Kylie Jenner. Her brand, glam, luxury, and influence, helped her turn Kylie Cosmetics into a billion-dollar empire in just 3 years. That's the power of personal branding. How to build your personal brand. So, how can you build a personal brand that stands out? Step 1. Discover your unique value. Ask yourself, what do you want to be known for? Look at Marie Kondo. She isn't just an organizer, she's the spark joy expert. Now, take a moment to jot down 3 unique traits or skills that make you stand out. Step 2. Establish your online presence. In today's world, your first impression is often digital. Think about Gary Vaynerchuk. His personal brand is built on a relentless online presence across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Start small, LinkedIn if you're corporate, or Instagram if you're creative. Consistency is key. Step 3. Be consistent. Imagine if Taylor Swift suddenly switched from heartfelt ballads to hardcore rap. Fans would be confused. Consistency in your message, tone, and visuals is what builds trust. Step 4. Showcase your expertise. Take Neil deGrasse Tyson. He made astrophysics cool by simplifying complex ideas and engaging with audiences across media. Start small, maybe a blog post or answering questions in forums, and grow from there. Common mistakes to avoid. But even the best brands can slip up. Mistake 1. Being inauthentic. Remember Kendall Jenner's Pepsi ad? It felt disconnected, and the backlash was huge. Authenticity matters. Mistake 2. Neglecting your online presence. Even Jennifer Aniston eventually embraced Instagram. If she can do it, so can you. In today's digital world, staying offline isn't an option. Can personal branding help you earn more? Now let's talk money. Consider Mr. Beast. His brand, built on generosity and over-the-top stunts, has turned him into a multimillionaire. But here's the thing, you don't need millions of followers to benefit. Even in a corporate job, a strong LinkedIn profile can land you better promotions and opportunities. Personal branding pays off. Literally. FAQs. You might be wondering, is personal branding just for influencers? Absolutely not. Sheryl Sandberg built a strong brand as a leader and author alongside her corporate career. Do I need to be on every platform? Nope. Look at Joanna Gaines from Fixer Upper. Her brand thrives mostly on TV and Instagram. Focus on where your audience is. Now it's your turn. Who inspires you when it comes to personal branding? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this video gave you clarity, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Money AZ, and check out my channel for more practical tips to grow your career and income. See you in the next video.